Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day, kids. So welcome to my video. So before anything else, let me introduce myself first. So I am teacher Arpad Aitusay, or you can call me Sir Pads. So today we are going to know the 5 senses. Are you ready, kids? Let's go. So first, we define what are the 5 senses. So number 1 is sight. So sight is paningin. So using the eyes to see things like color, shape, and movements or environment. So what kind of organ we use? Siyempre eyes, di ba? Number 2 is hearing. Pandinig. Using the ear to hear sound like music, voice, and noise. An organ we use is our ear or tenga. So, number 3 is smell, pang-amoy. Using the noise to smell scenes like foods, flowers, smoke. So, we smell, siyempre we use our organ noise. Number 4 is taste, is panglasa. So, using the tongue to taste flavors as sweet, salty, sour, bitter, and umami. And we use to taste or lasain mga foods or drink by using tongue or dila. So, number 5 is touch. Touch is panghipo. So, using the skin, especially hands, to feel texture, temperature, and pain. By using of hands, we can touch or feel, diba? So, organ na we use natin to touch in our hands or skin. So, that's all. Magsukot.